anyone yet?
That's the Hogwarts Express. Okay, I'm sure there's like a little show here in this store. Here we go, guys, the castle. Woo! 45 minutes wait here, let's go.
Would anyone care to venture a guess as to just what captivating creature? Did you know it saves? Potter!
Mr. Potter and Gryffindor beat Slytherin today.
Gryffindor.
I am Professor Albus Dumbledore, headmaster of Hogwarts School of Witchcraft.
The point is, Percival is very, very poor. Did you out of the castle and down to the pitch? And we reckon the best way of doing that was to fly you there.
Don't worry, there's room for all at the match. If I weren't so busy, I'd ask some of you to carry my picture down to the stand.
Hey, Miss Georgie! Have we almost anyone yet? The dragon! Snake! Follow me! Showing off your mug of fire as possible! Follow me!
Okay, the race is amazing. A lot of thrills, a lot of actions. Definitely have to try if you are here. As usual, they sell shirts, and this is how much?
Expensive.
$30. More cool area on this. So, well, we're in the Harry Potter area, so I expected to see Harry Potter stuff. So we pretty much can find all these things in Harry Potter stores. And this is the honeydew. Let's check out the honeydews. By the way, let's take a last look here before we go. Wow, look at all these candies. More candies here. More candies there. Pumpkin juice sipper. There's another stores there. So once again, if you have little kids who love Harry Potter, consider to get the wands. So you can go around the Harry Potter area and, you know, play around with the wands and do some magic. Alright guys, let's end this vlog with a parade. Don't forget to like and share, consider to subscribe to our channel. I see you guys. Bye! Bye!